Lesson 8, Session 3, page 178. There are 3 stamps. There are 5 envelopes. How many fewer stamps are there? There are 3 stamps. These are my stamps right here. This is what has to be on an envelope in order for it to get mailed. These are stamps. There are 5 envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fewer stamps are there? How many more than, how many less than, mean subtract, mean subtract. How many fewer, how many less, what's the difference, mean subtract. So when you hear how many fewer, you can know that you can subtract. And in this lesson, we are comparing 2 objects. We're comparing stamps to envelopes. No stamp, envelope. Stamp, envelope, no stamp, an envelope, stamp, envelope, right? So we can compare the number 3 and the number 5. Which number is greater? Well, 5 is greater. It gets 2 dots. That means if 5 is greater, 3 has to be fewer or less than. So 3 is less than 5. Okay, so now that we know that 3 is less than 5, let's compare. Stamp, envelope. There's a missing one here. Stamp, envelope. There's a missing stamp. Stamp, envelope. When we are comparing in word problems, we put the greater number. Which number is the greater number? If 3 is less than 5, well, it doesn't say greater. How about I put 5 here and 3 here? Which one is greater? Right, 5 is greater and 3 is fewer. So I'll connect the dots. 5 is greater than 3. So what is my greatest number? 5 or 3? 5. That goes in the hole. So what is the part that I know? We already used 5. What's the part we know? 3. We can count on from the part we know up to the hole. 3, 4, 5. There are 2 stamps missing. 1, 2. And this is where I always get confused. I have an equation here that it has missing things. Here's my minus. What do I know about a minus? A whole minus a part equals a part. So if this is my whole, there's 5. What's the part I knew? 3. And what's the part I did not know? 2. There are 2 fewer stamps. Number 5. Read along with me. Put your finger under the word joy. Joy has 6 square stickers. She has 2 circle stickers. How many fewer circle stickers does she have? Joy has 6 square stickers. She has 2 circle stickers. So these ones are square and these are circle. How many fewer circle stickers does she have? Ooh, there's that word, fewer. I'm going to remember my song. How many more than, how many less than, mean subtract, mean subtract. How many fewer, how many less, what's the difference, mean subtract. So I'm going to compare the 6 and the 2. 6, 2, 2, 6. I'm going to compare them. Which one is more, 6 or 2? 6 is more, so I'm going to give it 2 dots. If 6 is more, 2 has to be less. Connect those dots. So if 2 dots is more than 1 dot, I'm going to write more than. Read it with me. 6 is more than 2. Okay, 2 and 6. Which one is more? 6. Give it 2 dots. 2 is less than or fewer than, right? Connect my dots. 2 is more or less? Less than 6. So I've made my comparisons, right? How many fewer circle stickers does she have? She has 2 circle stickers. I'm going to draw 2. 1, 2. These are my 6 squares. Let's compare. Square, circle, square, circle. How many fewer circle stickers does she have? There's none here, none here, none here, and none here. There's not a circle. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 circle stickers missing, right? If I needed 4 more stickers that are circles, if I had that many more, I would have the same amount, but I have 4 fewer circle stickers. Let's draw our whole part, whole part. When we're comparing 2 groups of numbers, I have to put the greater number in the whole. So where does it say more? 6 more than 2. 2 less than 6. Which one is more? Right. 6 is more. And what was my part that I knew? 2. And I can count on from the part I know up to the whole. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many is that? 4. Oh, and there's the equation. It always confuses me. There's my minus. Oh, I remember my rhyme. Whole minus a part equals a part. Say it with me. Whole minus a part equals a part. One more time. Whole minus a part equals a part. So if this is my whole, look at here. There's my whole, 6. Fill it in like a puzzle. Minus the part that I knew, which was 2 equals, count on from the part we know up to the whole, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many is that? 4. There were 4 fewer stickers.